The Pixel 8 comes with rounded edges and a comfortable shape. It's smaller than the Pixel 7, which is nice, but it's a bit thicker because of the camera bump on the back. It has a great display called the Actua. It's super bright, even in sunlight, which is a big improvement from the Pixel 7. Everything looks sharp and colorful on its 6.2-inch screen. It's a win for outdoor use and watching HDR content. This device boasts a 50 megapixels main-wide camera with advanced image processing. In addition, there's a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera with a wider field of view, allowing you to capture more in your shots. The 10.5 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and group photos. What sets the cameras apart are the AI-driven features. There are few cool AI tools that analyzes group photos and uses generative AI to pick the best shot. This can be a lifesaver when someone blinks or looks awkward in the photo. You can even tap on faces and choose different poses. They can also manipulate your subjects and the background in creative ways. You can move elements, change the lighting, and even add or remove objects. Overall, this device produces excellent photos. In well-lit conditions, the colors are vivid and the details are sharp. When it comes to low-light or indoor shots, the Pixel 8 is pretty good. It provides decent results, and with the help of night mode, you can capture great photos even in challenging lighting situations. The Pixel 8's AI isn't just for photos, it also enhances your videos. The Audio Magic Eraser feature removes background noise, allowing you to focus on what matters in your videos. It's a game changer for content creators or anyone who wants better audio quality in their videos. It comes with the Tensor G3 chip, and that does a bunch of cool things. It makes answering calls more human-like. It can summarize web pages, fix your spelling, and help you with your texts. The battery is 4,575 mAh. It'll last you around 9 to 10 hours when you're browsing the web. Google promises 7 years of updates for the Pixel 8, which is awesome. Most phones get fewer updates. The Pixel 8 is a pretty solid phone. It looks cool, has a bright display, and its camera can do some cool tricks. It's not the fastest out there, and the battery life could be better. But it's future-proof with lots of updates. If you like a smaller, more affordable phone, this one's a good pick. The Pixel 8 Pro is one slick-looking phone with its glass and metal body, and it even comes with an IP68 rating for protection against dust and splashes. Handy for those little accidents. But the real star of the show here is the 6.7-inch OLED screen. Google calls it a Super Actua display, and it's as bright as a sunny day going up to 2400 nits. This means you can comfortably read your screen outdoors, and the screen can switch up its refresh rate from a battery-saving 1 Hz to a smooth 120 Hz for slick scrolling and gaming. Now, let's talk about the camera. Google's Pixel phones have always had a knack for photography, and the Pixel 8 Pro keeps that tradition alive. It's got a trio of cameras on the back: a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus. The colors are spot on, and the way it captures skin tones is seriously impressive. Night mode is a champ, delivering good shots with great colors and detail. Even the secondary cameras don't disappoint, and video recording has seen some welcome improvements. Under the hood, you'll find the Tensor G3 chip. It's like the engine of the phone, and it's not just about raw power. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, you've got the muscle and space you need for multitasking and storing all your stuff. But what really sets it apart is its advanced AI capabilities, enhancing everything from photography to voice recognition and overall device optimization, making the Pixel 8 Pro an exceptional all-around performer. There's also a cool built-in temperature sensor. Open the thermometer app, point your phone at something, and it'll tell you the temperature. One of the most exciting things about the Pixel 8 Pro is that Google promises to keep it updated for 7 years. That's not just security updates, but full-blown system updates and those cool Pixel feature drops. The Pixel 8 Pro is backed by a beefy 5050 mAh battery. It'll keep your phone juiced up all day, even if you're a heavy user.